Guys, welcome back to the channel. So it's just a quick one today. We are going to be putting the metal bar on the teeth of the flywheel and getting it moving. Got to say thank you to John and Gareth who've helped us with a bit of advice, and John's actually coming when he's dropping off some chain harrows we've got over there. I'll show you in our video. He's coming out a little go at it, moving the flywheel for us. He's got it started, and yeah, big help. Thank you very much. So also in other news, I am now a father. My little girl Crystal Rose was born 3 days ago. How do I even have to think that it was 3 days ago? I'm just a bit tired from it all. But yeah, it's about 3 days ago, on the 7th. Yeah, on the 7th she was born. So yeah, exciting times. Let's get to the video then, showing you us getting this flywheel moving. Enjoy. Right, so we've got a metal bar on the flywheel, and what Dad is doing here is he's just moving the flywheel up and down as shown here. If you watch the these in the bores there, you'll see it moving as the piston rings are moving.
Get a bite.
When he gets a bite on it. Let me go around here, and then I'll show you the flywheel on that in a minute.
Yeah, it's going.
Right, that's the best angle for it. Yeah. When you get a bite on it. Are we moving? Go.
Yeah, you got a bite. I had a decent bite just a minute ago.
Yeah, I was watching. There we go. That one there I saw move the most.
Yeah.
Yep.
I'll do it that way so you can see it this way.
Yeah, go on then. There we go. That's better. Now we can see it.
Yeah.
So just moving that flywheel back and forwards on that teeth, just to get them pistons moving. Yeah. Hopefully it'll help the diesel soak down in. So this engine was completely seized. It wasn't moving at all. There we go. Let me just show that flywheel as well. Let me just show it now on that flywheel, because I tried showing it in my other video and it didn't quite come out. Let me just... So there's the flywheel.
It's got a brand new what's it on it?
And there's the teeth there. So the bar's going in between the teeth, sort of working it from the top end and then the bottom end back and forwards. And that's what makes the pistons move. And hopefully we won't damage the teeth. That's the main thing. You've got to be so careful. If you damage a tooth, you've got to split the tractor apart.
Yeah, it's got a brand new.
And then what at some point we're going to do is get a socket on the, is it the crank, isn't it?
Yeah.
Which is down in here. Yeah. Hang on, down in here. Get a socket down in there and turn that as well. But at least we're getting some progress now. Oh. It's just about getting the bite and having the right bar for it.
Can you hold that?
Hold the pipe, yeah, of course. Keep that pipe out your way. There we go.
Oh, I can't get have to leave it for a minute.
Yeah, alright, that's fine. Well, at least we've got somewhere with it. I levelled off the diesel in them balls, so it makes it a bit easier to notice the movements. We put some GT85 on them as well, which is a bit like WD-40 to help lubricate and soak down as well.
Yeah. Right, I think we'll stay with that.
You want to leave it like that, let them soak down for a couple of nights, and then we'll check again?
Need to clean
the edges.
That bore anyway.
Yeah.
Another bit of a cleaning session now we've gone down a bit.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I think that's it for a minute.
Oh, that's fine. Alright, we'll leave it there. So I'll cover that up in a minute. Yeah, that's fine. So there is just a quick video of working the flywheel, putting the bar in the teeth. I mentioned this in the video where we were taking the starter motor off of the 675, that you had to get that metal bar in them teeth. We pretty grateful we found that information out. Thank you for that help there we got with that. We had some help with getting there and getting to this stage, so it's really good. We're progressing quite well, finally. There's still a lot to be done. There's 2 injector nozzles stuck in the head of the engine, and they're going to have to be heated up and tapped out, which apparently wouldn't be too hard, so we'll get to that as well at some point. So there she is. That's how we are looking so far. So my temporary coat of silver around the cab has sort of faded away. It was just a quick aerosol job, just try and protect it a bit from that rust, because it was pretty bad. It's definitely helped it a bit. What I am planning to do is obviously do it properly, not just aerosol. We'll give her a good coat and all the red as well, but that's nowhere anytime soon. There's no point yet. That was just a protection layer. She's looking all right now. Progress is progress, and it's going to take time. We may be here till middle of next year doing it, but when we get there, we get there. Now what you doodling?
I managed to make it.
Oh, you're using a screwdriver now to try and ease it, yeah? Oh. You getting a good enough bite with the screwdriver then?
Yeah.
Yeah? Well, look at the level of that. Them oh, right, yeah, I see. So, because they're going up and they're going down, aren't they?
You've got some rust in that board to clean.
Alright, that's fine.
Right, leave that on there to soak.
You want to leave it like that? Do you want me to level off them again, or?
No.
No, they're already level, aren't they? Because they were the rings were level when I done it, so they'll be fine.
What I'll do is I'll put it back so the pistons are level.
Level the pistons, yeah, that's fine. Bit more. Yeah, see, that's what I put the diesel when they were level. About there. About there, dude.
That's level.
Right. We're going to leave it there. We can watch the diesel over the next couple of days. I'll get some videos out on this. Where's what?
John, well, he's gone down to CCF.
He's gone back already?
Has he?
He's gone, I'll see him go, yeah. Right, so thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed that. If you've got an engine that's struggling as well, obviously there is a way to do it. You know, strip down the head, take it all down, get to the flywheel, move the teeth, and also try and move the crank as well with a socket. I think I showed that in one of the earlier videos. All similar method for pretty much any tractor. Even with this starter motor, I believe it's the same for a lot of Masseys when we took the starter off. I think it doesn't matter what number you've got, as long as it's an older one, any sort of like 6 series, you know, even like an old 35, 135, reeling anything off. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you on next.